the key to stopping people from leaving the platform is engagement.
Right.
And engagement has to do with expanding our value proposition into new applications, like, for instance, buy now, pay later, which we should talk about later, because that's been one of the stars, actually, of the holiday season for us.
Well, let's go right there. There's a perception, and Max Levchin was announced on Mad Money, he announced the Amazon deal, he announced, which, by the way, he had to give away a lot of his company, but he got it, announced how business had gone, and really kind of made people feel PayPal's also ran buy now, pay later versus Klarna, versus even Square with Afterpay, which is they're about to talk about. Are you the second fiddle in buy now, pay later?
I'm so glad you asked that question, Jim, because we are we've only been in this for like the last year,
right,
maybe year and a half or so. And we are already one of the top 3 or 4 buy now players in the world. Let me give you some statistics that just happened during this November and during the holidays. So during Black Friday, our volume on buy now, pay later was up almost 400% year over year. We did some 750,000 transactions alone in one day on Black Friday. One day. And Jim, in November, it was our first time ever that we did over $1 billion of processed volume on buy now, pay later in a month. And we did over 1 million first-time users for the first time ever in a month. So if you take a look at our run rate, you know, at $1 billion times 12, that's $12 billion run rate on buy now, pay later. We have well over 10 million consumers using it, 950,000 plus merchants doing that, growing. As I mentioned, you know, Black Friday at least grew almost 400%. These are growth rates that are second to none on buy now, pay later at scale that is closing in to the very top of any of the buy now, pay later players.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.